Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about something truly elegant and timeless. These are just not piece of home decor; they are work of art, woven with love, passion, and creative. Are crafted being warmth, beauty, into the dive and a touch
Word of
of
crochet
handmade
and
magic
mimar dress
to every
entirely
mimar dress coaching now.
your room to process.
Crochet and mimar dress. And when they found it, it's a soft, smooth, and easy to wash. You can use thread which give less fine detail that looks stunning. Before we begin, plan your designs carefully. Crochets can be made in many ways. And the time take, but the progress rhythm of your hook and movement of the yarns. My is very nice design and very nice coloring combination. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to more our crochet channels. We mark progress to item of the hook and look stunning and the good habits.